Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the topic median. In the previous video we have already completed the topic mean. So let us discuss the topic median. Median we mean the mid value of the data. Here few basic things you have to find. First of all, you will arrange the data in ascending order. This is the required step. Okay? This is a necessary step which you have to follow. You have to arrange the data in ascending order. Your second step is you will find n. N means how many numbers are there. If n is the even number means if the observations are 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. In that case the formula of median is half into n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. And if the n is odd, the formula will be n plus 1 divided by 2th term. This topic you have already done in your 8th standard. So let us continue with the exercise. Now in the exercise 19b. So first question is find the median of the following data. So first of all we will arrange this data in ascending order. After arranging the data in ascending order, we have counted how many numbers are there. The numbers are 9. 9 numbers are there, that is the odd number. So we can apply the formula of median, that is n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So what is n? N is 9, that is the number of observations. So 9 plus 1 upon 2, that is 10 by 2. So it is the 5th term. Now how to find the value of median? In ascending order, you will see which is the 5th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5th term is 26. So therefore the median will be 26. So we have already discussed the case of odd number. So let us discuss the third part. Here the case is even number. First of all, this is the data. We will arrange the data in ascending order. We have already arranged. Then we have counted the number of observation. There is 10. So which is the even number. Then the formula of median is half n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. What is n? N is 10. 10 by 2, it is 5th term. 10 by 2 plus 1, that is 6th term. So what is the formula of median? Half into 5th plus 6th term. 5th term we will count which is the 5th term. 25 is the 5th term. Then 34 is the 6th term. 25 plus 34, this is 59. So half into 59, your answer is 29.5. Come to question number 2. The following data has been arranged in ascending order. It means this data, it is already arranged in ascending order. And the median is given 63. So we will count the number of observations and they ask you what is the value of x. Find x. So we have counted and here n is 10, that is the even number. We can apply the formula of median, half into n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. What is n? N is 10. 10 by 2, it is the 5th term. 10 by 2 plus 1, this is the 6th term. Now in the data we will see which is the 5th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5th term is x and the 6th term is x plus 2. So it means we will add x plus 2 and this 2 you will shift towards left side. So 63 into 2 and here you will add, it is 2x plus 2. So shift 2 towards right side, left side. So it is 124 equal to 2x. So what is x? X will be 66. Come to question number 3. In 10 numbers which are arranged in increasing order, means they have given the 10 numbers are there. When you will arrange them in increasing order, the number 7th number is increased by 8. You will add something 8 in 7th number. How much will the median be changed? You can see the total numbers are 10 and the middle positions are the 5th and 6th. It means the median remains same and there will be no change in the median because the 5th and 6th term that remain same. Because we are changing the 7th term, not 5th and 6th term. Now in the 4th question, out of 10 students who appeared in the test, 3 scored less than 30. Means 3 children are there whose marks are less than 30. You can take any 3 numbers randomly and the middle 4 numbers they are given and you can arrange that numbers in ascending order. And the last 3 numbers they are greater than 75. So greater than 75 you can take any other numbers which are greater than 75, that is 76, 81 and 87. Now n is 10, it is the even number. We can apply the formula of median. half into n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th. Again we come to know this is the fifth and sixth term. So fifth term is 40 and sixth term is 48. So we will add them and divide by 2. So our answer is 44. Come to question number 5. Now in the fifth question, the median of the observations is given, and that observation, it is already arranged in the ascending order. So here the median is given 18. So here we can see n is 9, that is a odd number. We can apply the formula of median, n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So 18 into n plus 1 by 2. So 18, we can see that it is the fifth term. What is the fifth term? Fifth term is x plus 5. So from here we can calculate the value of x. I hope you get the idea regarding the mean and median. So just try the last exercise yourself and you can clarify your doubts in school. Thank you very much.